Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to set up a proxy in Metatrader 4. Metatrader 4 is a free Forex trading platform that enables you to automate the analysis of financial markets using expert advisors for trading. By using a proxy, you can establish a stable and high-speed connection, which can give you sub-millisecond advantages while trading. Now let's get started with the setup process. Launch the application. In the top menu, select the Tools tab and then click on Options. Look for the Enable Proxy Server option and select it by checking the box. Click on the Proxy button and select the protocol that you want to use from the window that appears. In this example, we will be using SOX 5. In the Server line, enter the details of your proxy in the following format: IP address and port separated by a colon. If you are using a free proxy, you won't need to enter a username or password. However, if you are using a private proxy, enter your username and password in the appropriate fields below. Once you have entered the proxy details, test the connection by clicking on Test. If the test is successful, save the configuration by clicking on OK. That's it. Your proxy connection is now set up. I also want to remind you that working with free proxies is not safe, does not guarantee anonymity, and will lead to blocking. To remain anonymous on the network and be sure of your security, it is recommended to purchase a private proxy, and there is an advanced proxy provider, Proxy-Seller.com. You get 100% anonymity on the network and security, a performance guarantee for the chosen purpose, and 24/7 customer support service. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.